Tools don't build wealth. Systems do. Most people try to fix money problems by downloading apps. That approach rarely works. Tools are not bad, but tools alone don't create change. Without structure, even the best tools eventually stop being used. Understanding how to use tools correctly is what actually makes them effective. Most tools fail for predictable reasons. There's no clear framework, no consistency, and no system behind the behavior. Motivation fades and the tool gets ignored. Tools don't fail because they're broken. They fail because they're unsupported. Tools are meant to support systems, not replace them. A good tool increases awareness, reduces friction, and makes consistency easier. When a tool aligns with a system, it feels helpful instead of overwhelming. Most financial tools fall into a few simple categories. Some tools help with tracking, others help with automation, some help with planning. The category matters more than the brand. When tools are used intentionally, they reinforce structure. Tools work best after clarity already exists. After awareness, after simple budgeting, after control is established. Adding tools too early often creates more stress, not less. Tools amplify behavior. They don't create it. When systems come first, tools become powerful allies instead of distractions. Subscribe for logic-based money education. This is Cashmetry, where money makes sense.